Senate President Akpabio is dragged to the UN, prepared for impeachment. All right. This is very, very good. When I saw this very information, I said, if I were the one, I would do worse than this. In fact, my dear listeners, I greet everyone out there spending time to listen to us through this very channel. Thank you so much. I know you must have been carried along concerning this Akpabio's sexual harassment saga. It's not today. Who says he doesn't know Akpabio with this human affair matter? We say, I would say that person is not in Nigeria. Yes, it's not today. He has finally been dragged to the UN by Senator that's Natasha, and reporting Akpabio to the UN. She didn't only go there to report uh, or to defend herself alone, but to speak on behalf of other female senators who subsequently in the past has also been harassed. She made it very clear to the Senate that the embarrassing part of it is that in the Senate they have over 200 plus men who appear to be senators, while in the Senate they have just four female, which is not well balanced. So she is speaking on behalf of the women and also on behalf of the country, and pleading that she hasn't come to embarrass the nation but to defend the rights of the women. Senator Natasha has even gone as far as speaking tough against Senator Godswill Akpabio, revealing all that she has to go through, even while trying to defend herself. She has to reveal how the Senate president, um, they suspended her for good 6 months with her security withdrawn from her and her 6 months salary as well withdrawn. She was also told not to appear before the Senate or around the Senate, or she should not be seen within the premises of the Senate. In fact, the convoy and the official vehicle was also withdrawn from her. And after the 6 month suspension, the Senate will have to sit to decide if to bring her back to the Senate. This is too much. No wonder the lady have to go this far and make sure that Akpabio is brought to book. My people, I don't know what you have to say about this, because this is just too much. The conditions and the punishment given to her is just too much, and I believe that this is the reason why she have decided to go this far. We could not blame her. Now she knows better. She knows better. So I think this will teach Akpabio some bitter lessons that yes, not all women that he can be trampling on or even be challenging. Women should be given their own respect as well. Not because they are in the Senate, then you'll be talking to them anyhow. They are also someone's wife, just like you are someone's husband. Okay, dear listeners, I will appreciate it if you can come in and let's hear from you on this matter. What do you have to say? Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as bell buttons to receive more updates. Thank you.